Hi guys, so this is going to be an interesting video. So HubSpot recently released its HubSpot Claude MCP connector, and I was playing around with it, and I was also thinking about use cases which could be solved because of this. And a very interesting thing came up to my mind, so I thought of testing it, and I'm testing it firsthand on this particular video. So what I'm trying to see is by taking in all of my HubSpot data, is HubSpot able to provide me with with my ICPs and give me more information, more context around ICPs? So what I've done is I've tried creating a prompt which I could feed to Claude so that it reads through all of my HubSpot data and it gives me all of the ICP information which I require. So this is a very comprehensive one. It has all of these frameworks, the analysis requirements, additional instructions. So if you want it, I could post this document link in the comments so that you could have it too. So I have this with me now, and what I'll do is I will now go on to my HubSpot and I'll create a new chat. My HubSpot is already added on and connected, and it's very easy. Like just 2 or 3 clicks over here, and HubSpot would automatically get connected to Claude. If you want, I could create a separate video for to show you how it's done, but I think it's pretty easy. So now that this is done, what I'll do is I will just copy paste this particular prompt from here onto Claude, and I will click on start. So now it'll just start reading through the prompt and going through HubSpot through my HubSpot data. So over here, it is now asking me permission. So for me, you could click on always allow, but for me, I always make it a point to allow once, and then it will start continuing and doing more of its research. So this is going to be time consuming, no doubt, because I have comprehensive data over here, and it will now start reading, and just it will also run me through what all it's doing so that I get context as to how it's going to give me the output which I have requested for. So like you see, it said that it has access to all of this data. So based on this, it is now doing some additional research. Yeah. So it can see firmographic data for companies, it is investigating demographic website. Again, allowance. Cool. So now it's checking deal properties to understand sales performance and behavior patterns. Cool. So now it's examining contacts to understand who are the decision makers and what are the various buying roles. Cool. So I think it's been 3 to 4 minutes now, and it has come with an extremely comprehensive report, which is covering the archetypes, what are my key differentiators, the firmographic details, personal roles, behavioral characteristics. This is quite impressive. Wow. And in the end, actionable recommendations, content strategies. This is just great. Like I had never expected it to be this comprehensive. But yeah, it's also giving me an implementation roadmap. Wow. Awesome. So this is how you do it. It takes a bit of time because obviously Claude will go through all of your HubSpot data and for to be able to come up with all of these insights and inputs. And then once it's done, so you can either download it as a PDF, copy it to a Word doc, and you're ready. You have your ICP, a comprehensive ICP analysis ready for you in a matter of 4 to 5 minutes, which could have taken you like days if you would have done it manually. So yeah, this is just one use case of the Claude HubSpot connector. There could be more, and whenever I can think of some, I will create a video around it. But hope you found this video helpful. Thank you.